Hi, I'm Daniel from Wavecamper, and I wanted to show you our new kitchen we developed the last month, because we had also already a kitchen that you were able to use outside the car, but this one is new because now we can still enter the car from this side, even though the kitchen is open. And one new thing is that we get like 3 cooking spots in this kitchen. We have this separate cooking spot you can just put into here and click it in, 1, 2, and now you can use 1, 2 and 3 cooking spots to make a big meal for the whole family. We also had a few cooks here who said, well, that's exactly what they need, because they used to cook for many people and big meals, so that was exactly what they were looking for. You can also put out this kitchen of the car. If we fold down the table and the cooker, it just remains like this block, and it's only fixed in this points here. You can just grab the whole block and get it off the car. So at first you need to take out the 2 feet and then just get it out of the car to cook in the tent, or when you're just driving around and you're not camping and you want to use the second door, just put it in the garage or somewhere in your apartment, so you don't have to carry it around.
And we've got the fridge there as well.
Exactly, so the cheese or the sausage is directly to the kitchen, exactly, and there's no long way.
And what about the rest of the van? What else can you say about it?
Yeah, of course, maybe we can go to the back, because there's something new as well, because we have like this 2 storage. What is it called? Storage?
This is the problem. We don't know. We intend to call them storage boxes, or pull-out boxes for car campers. Something like that.
Exactly. You have the opportunity to take the big one or a small one, or both of them, and then you have the whole back storage of the car coming out of the car, and you don't have to climb in to get your clothes or maybe some water, because I'm buying the water for Wavecamper, and every time I break, the whole water rushes behind the seats, and I have to climb in the car and pull them out. And with the new pull-out design, I can just get the whole storage of the car. So I don't have to climb in anymore.
So it keeps everything in its place.
Exactly.
So we've got the fridge from Engel. We've got a sink.
Exactly.
And what else is there in there?
It's nothing special, just some stuff here. You can put clothes in here. For example, I'm kayaking, and at home I have like 1 box with kayak stuff. I have another box for trekking, and I can just switch the boxes because they are not fixed. I just get them off, and under the boxes I have some more storage to put some small things in, and so I'm not fixed, or the storage is not fixed, and I'm very flexible with what I'm carrying around. Exactly.
And we've got the water here as well, the fresh water there.
Exactly, 20 liters. We got a big water storage under the car in the extra wheel space. So we don't have an extra wheel, a 5th one, but there's 70 liters fresh water. So we got 90 liters of fresh water in this car right here. Exactly.
And what about the rest then? Let's have a look at that.
So let's move on. That's our own seat. It's we developed it in like 2005, and the idea behind the seat is that the sitting part and the leaning part, they're separate, so we have an own design. You have just 2 levers here. Just push them back and the bed falls towards you, so it's like 1 second, the bed is ready and you can start to sleep. Exactly. We have like 2 meters in the length and 130 in the width. Yeah, exactly. And yeah, to fold it back, it's just one move. Push it up and you can start to drive on.
Yeah.
Exactly. So you don't have to move many things around, or have to build up your bed. So it's very quick. Exactly.
Yeah, that's quicker than most. Yeah. So the tent in the roof.
Exactly. 1 or 2 sleeping persons more in the car, and so you can drive with 5 people in the car. You can sleep at least with 4 people in the car, so you can carry the whole family around, and yeah, you can sleep with everyone in the car, and nobody has to sleep outside in a tent, for example.
Yeah. Very good.
Exactly.
And what about the storage down here beneath the seat?
It's also something to pull out, 2 boxes. You can also take them completely out, and then you have like you have like nothing between the seats and the back of the car, so you can put long things, for example skiers. You can just load them through the whole car. So you're also very flexible with that, or just use it for maybe plates and cups, stuff like that you need in the front of the car.
Yeah,
exactly.
Right.
That's like the main idea of Space Camper, that you have much storage but very flexible, so you can use the car for camping, but also for just driving around in normal times.
Yeah. Very good.
Exactly.
So I'll just give a quick walk around, and then thanks very much for showing that.
Yes, of course. Thank you.
Thank you. So let's have a quick walk around here. Of course, it's a VW Bully. And this is Abenteuer und Allrad, the largest off-road RV event in the world. So if you found that interesting, thanks for watching, and lots more stuff on this channel relating to motorhomes. You can see here the kitchen now going back in place. There it is, and then it's gone back in. So thanks for watching, and all the best from me in Germany.